What if a storm wasn't made of wind and water? But created from a pure chemical reaction, unleashed in a millisecond. This isn't science fiction. These are the man-made storms we have created. Today, on Destructive Explosions, AI will reconstruct and rank the 5 most powerful non-nuclear monsters ever to exist. Before we begin, a clear distinction must be made. We are not talking about atomic power, which unleashes energy by tearing apart the very core of matter. These weapons harness power from chemical bonds, but on a scale that is colossal. We will measure them by these 3 destructive metrics. Let's begin with the opening act for this legendary list. Number 5, the Blue 82, nicknamed Daisy Cutter, a nearly 7-ton giant. Its mission is simple: clear a landing zone for helicopters. By flattening a section of jungle in the blink of an eye. Its technology is to detonate just above the surface to maximize the shockwave. AI reconstruction begins. Destructive power equivalent to 5.7 tons of TNT. Let's see what it can do. This is the pure power of pressure, a wall of air moving faster than sound. Its clean sweep radius is large enough to cover this entire stadium. The secret lies in the slurry mixture, inexpensive but extremely effective. An impressive opening act, but the next monsters are even more fearsome. Number 4, the GBU-57 MOAB, the Massive Ordnance Penetrator. Its enemy is not the jungle, but fortresses buried deep underground. Weighing 14 tons, designed not to explode but to penetrate. Its power is not revealed on the surface, but is unleashed in the deepest places. AI simulates the ability to penetrate 60 meters of reinforced concrete. The bomb's body is reinforced to withstand unimaginable impact forces. And when it reaches its destination, the smart fuse is activated, creating an artificial earthquake. The entire structure above collapses into the void it creates. Its destruction comes from shockwaves, not from a fireball. A different kind of power, focused and devastating in its own unique way. But what if the power doesn't go down, but radiates in all directions? Let's turn to the weapon that completely changed the game. Number 3, the thermobaric bomb, the one that turns air itself into a weapon. It doesn't operate like a conventional bomb. This is a 2-stage weapon. Stage 1, not for destruction, but to disperse a cloud of flammable fuel. Mixing with the oxygen in the air, creating a massive explosive mixture. And then, stage 2 begins. The entire cloud ignites at the same time. It creates an extremely strong positive pressure wave. And immediately after, a negative pressure zone, depleting the air. A 1-2 punch of physics, extremely effective in enclosed spaces. Its power is amplified by the terrain itself. In a tunnel, the pressure wave will rebound, multiplying the destructive force many times over. This weapon changed the game, but it's still not the pinnacle. We are approaching the throne. Number 2, the one who once held the crown, GBU-43B, or the mother of all bombs. Weighing nearly 10 tons, this is the most powerful non-nuclear weapon in the United States arsenal. It's an airburst weapon guided by GPS. Objective: create maximum pressure wave over a wide area. Destructive power equivalent to 11 tons of TNT. AI visualizes its shockwave can flatten everything within a radius. Up to 1.6 kilometers, a truly staggering power. Energy is not wasted creating a crater, but is used to generate the shockwave. It creates an unmistakable symbol of power. Its power has approached the boundary of nuclear weapons. Mother of all bombs is a worthy title. But in the world of legends, there is always someone stronger. And here is the king. Number 1, the absolute throne, ATBIP, the father of all bombs. Developed by Russia, this is their answer to the MOAB. But it's not just a bigger version, it's an evolution. ATBIP combines the massive size of the MOAB with the deadly thermobaric technology we saw at number 3. This is a thermobaric weapon, but on an unprecedented scale. A cloud of death enveloping a vast area. AI reconstruction for the largest non-nuclear explosion in history. Destructive power, equivalent to 44 tons of TNT. Nearly 4 times that of the MOAB. Look at the difference. This is no longer a competition. This is absolute dominance. Its total destruction radius is over 2 kilometers. Its secret may lie at the molecular level, accelerating the reaction. Father of all bombs. A title that is not an exaggeration. The throne has its owner. From a jungle clearer to a king reigning in the sky. The AI simulation has shown us a startling escalation in the crafting of power. But it also shows a truth of physics, no matter how complex. Whether it's the power of chemistry or nature. It all comes down to releasing energy in the fastest way possible. They are a testament to human ingenuity in harnessing the fundamental laws of the universe. The pioneer, simple and effective. The conqueror of the deep, hidden power. The intelligent assassin turning weakness into strength. The queen, a symbol of overwhelming power. And the king, the one who redefines the limit. In the world of explosions, scale is everything. What power do you want us to simulate next? A supervolcano eruption. An asteroid impact. Or a dark energy explosion in the universe. Let us know in the comments below. For now, prepare for our next journey. We will leave Earth to visit our familiar companion. And ask a terrifying question. What would happen? If the moon exploded? Don't miss the next episode of Destructive Explosions. Press subscribe and turn on notifications to explore with us.